So this Diwali I am making a simple almond and dates barfi. To make the recipe, warm a pan to which add 4 tablespoons of jaggery instead of the sugar. Now add 2 tablespoons of water so that the jaggery doesn't burn or stick to the bottom of the pan. Put the heat on low temperature and let the jaggery to cook. In comparison to the refined sugar, jaggery is more nutritious. They contain micronutrients. While sugar is just empty calorie, jaggery is rich in essential minerals and fiber. It contains iron, magnesium, potassium, copper, selenium and zinc. Also, jaggery being unrefined is absorbed more slowly than the table sugar. When the jaggery is cooked and comes to the syrup consistency, add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give it a quick stir. Now to this add 1 cup of almond flour. The almond flour are easily available in the supermarket, and if you don't find them, then you can easily make them at home. Just soak 1 cup of almond in hot water for 30 minutes. Peel the skin and dry them for 1 to 2 hours. Now grind to fine powder to get your almond flour. Coming back to the recipe, cook the almond flour along with the jaggery for 5 to 7 minutes on low heat. Now add 1/4 cup of milk to add some moist to the recipe. If you feel the barfi dough is very dry, then you can add a little more of milk. And finally add 1/4 cup of shredded dates to add more sweetness and flavor to the barfi. Dates are great source of antioxidants and they also help to boost the heart health. Now mix all the ingredients and cook for 8 to 10 more minutes on low heat. Cook till all the ingredients are nicely cooked, raw smell is gone and the milk is completely absorbed. Before the dough cools down, take it out into a non-stick tray or a glass bowl to make the barfi, and you can grease the bowl with ghee or clarified butter to get that real sweet shop kind smell. Using a spoon, shape the dough into the mold. On the top, add some almond flakes. Now keep this inside the refrigerator for 2 hours. After 2 hours, take it out and cut them into square pieces. And your barfi is ready to be served.